Good, good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Fakebook. Come on in. Welcome to Phil's Paradise Bar and Grill. How would y'all be paying? Cash or credit? Okay, credit. And smoking or non-smoking? Smoking, okay, right this way. Follow me. And have a seat. Sorry. Ma'am. It's a nice day today. It's a very lovely day. Now, may I take your orders? Oh, sorry, but we don't serve that. No, we don't serve that either. No, sir, we never have served that. I've never served it, not on my shift. If you have eaten it here, then it was on another shift, but the only thing that I've ever served in this restaurant is Pear wine. That's all. I have a menu if you would like it, sir. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday. We're closed on Sundays. There's Pear wine every day on the menu. Yeah. No, sir, we don't have Crown. No, ma'am, we don't have Jack and Daniels either. No, we don't have that. No, we don't have Zimkoff. Rock and Rye, no. Evan Williams, no, sir. No. Oh, yes, we have Pear wine. I'll be right with you. Sure is a lovely day. Sir. Ma'am. Are y'all from out of town? Oh, wow, Michigan. Wow. Yankees. Oh, I'm so sorry, ma'am. Let me get you another slice of pear. That one accidentally fell apart. This is a fine dining restaurant. I've never seen y'all come here before. Are y'all a married couple? Let me light a candle for you by the pears. Oh, sure, sir. You would like a shot of pear wine? Let me bring your utensils, sir. Ma'am. This is the owner's preferred selection. It's been aged for several months in oak barrels, with charcoal filtered and strained through a sock. It's marvelous. It's a very unique flavor. Bon appetit.